Banaras, a people's monument as ancient as the sacred Ganges that flows along its banks. A people's monument to the life of India itself. To the holy city of temples and of minarets, to the city of the sacred river, and to nearby Sarnath, where Lord Buddha preached his first sermon more than 2,000 years ago, come millions of India's pilgrims, come India's friends. The immense and sprawling life of Banaras is a reminder that the people of India form 1/6 of the peoples of the world.